Hi, Curtis here, Citric Concrete Coating and Polishing. This is a commercial space with a concrete floor which the customer would like to turn into a finished floor. But I'd like to talk about the process and things like this. Steel pins. A lot of steel pins, they're everywhere, and they've popped out also, leaving little voids, imperfections, and just something that, happens and we have to deal with. And we're doing a clear coating which is going to show all of this, so that's another bit of a challenge, but that's part of what I do is just doing the best work possible and let the results become what they are. The steel pins actually were put in there for crack prevention, which didn't really work, but that's besides the point. We're almost finished grinding. Yeah, do some edges and corners and whatnot, but as you can see, it's just a standard ground concrete floor, gray and dusty. It's been cleaned, but we do have to do another final cleaning. This is the crack that we will also grind and clean up before coating. But going back to the look of the gray floor, it's not going to be gray when it's done. It will be some shade of brown. That's what 100% solids clear epoxy does, is turns your floor brown. Just the way it is. It's that wet look, and it keeps that wet look. And just, so people know it's not been colored, it is clear material we're putting down. This is a final cleaning. We want to make sure we get this floor as clean as possible. There's a little blowout too. All kinds of character in this floor. But yeah, getting this floor cleaned as well as possible is what you have to do. It's mandatory to get good bond and a nice smooth finish when you're done, nice and clean. Up here we have a saw cut, which there are plenty of saw cuts, and they weren't asked to be filled, so they weren't filled, which is fine. Down here, however, is a cold joint. It's a seam between one concrete pour and another, and guaranteed there's going to probably be a color difference between one concrete pour and another. There always is. You can't get two identical concrete mixes that'll be the same. So another bit of character for this floor. So now I've started coating. As you can see, it is some sort of brown color, but I think it's coming out all right. I don't want to go crazy flooding this floor with material and trying to make it like a glass finish floor. It's got too many things going on that are gonna be highlighted even more. So I think a nice super micro stipply finish and help the look of this floor and show its character, because you can't hide it. It's clear coating. You're not fooling anybody. Whatever problems are in the floor are in there, and clear coating is not gonna change it. So my job is to just do as consistent coat as I can, so it all looks, reflects, and has the same sheen, and that the coating after the thorough cleaning is bonded well to the floor and lasts a long time. Because this is not as much about looks as also function. It's a very functional floor, so that's one of the things. Function, looks, even budget. It's just a good practical floor to do. We're done now, and I think the floor came out fine. The things that are in the floor show the pins, the little voids, the color difference. It's part of the floor, and can't pretend it's not there. It is, and that's what a lot of people actually want. They want that character. They one-off, unique. You can't go to Home Depot and buy one of these floors. It's their floor. And see, that crack turned out just fine. It's patched. Of course it's there, it's a crack, but it's patched, and again, it's functional. I mean, overall, there's no roller lines. It's a very nice consistent coating. I think it looks good. I know it's going to function well. Customer is going to like it, and people who come in are going to like it. They're going to look at it and, they're going to think it's a cool floor. All right. Thank you.